Hi! I bet you've been wondering where I've been. Wait, what do you mean you haven't thought about me? Willem here. It's kind of been a while, hasn't it? And that's because I've been working on many other things, actually, but the main one, the one that I want to tell you about today, is a freaking board game. This is Taelmoor. Taelmoor is what we like to call a cooperative, scan and play, narrative, dungeon crawling board game. Whew. I've been working on this freaking thing for 6 months, but it's so cool now. It has modular dungeon tiles, and character standees, and combat cards. I built this board game with my literal brothers, and today, the Kickstarter goes live. Which means I need your help, actually, please. In all seriousness, Taelmoor represents the largest investment of time and money that I have ever made into one of my personal projects. And while I have not been making many videos for all of you guys, I would still very much appreciate your help in getting it off the ground. So, to get you interested, here is the very abridged version of our Kickstarter trailer.
It wasn't my fault. Now they're all eaten.
Taelmoor is a scan and play monsters. The box contains interactive sword and sorcery monsters. Coordinate with your party and gain many challenges like you.
Hi! That was clear, wasn't it? Okay, for real, here's how you can help. If you're like me and you love board games, consider backing us because we've really put a lot of heart and soul into this project and we think it's super cool. If you don't like board games, I don't like you. Wait. Okay, I'm totally kidding. I love all of you. Even if you don't buy the board game, backing us for even $1 helps our algorithm dramatically. And even if you don't do that, sharing us on social media would be amazing. So, thanks. Bye. Thank you.